This is Dr. Al-Malood from FacultyWorkshop.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a time limit or a deadline to close a sign-up sheet that you may have created on Google Forms. Let's say that you've got a sign-up sheet and you want people to sign up for an event, an activity, or to volunteer, but you want to set a time limit or deadline so that it closes after a certain period of time. Google Form natively does not have a feature to do that. However, you can add a add-on to the Google Form that will allow you to do that. And the add-on that we're going to work with today is called formLimiter. So what you want to do is go to your form after you've created it, and you want to go ahead and click on the three little dots right next to your profile picture and click on add-ons. Go to the search bar and you can type in formLimiter, or I can actually see it right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on formLimiter, and I'm going to install this add-on. Click continue, and you're going to authorize this add-on. Select the account that you want to authorize it to. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on allow. Once the add-on has been installed, you can click on done, and you can close this little box, and you will see that now you've got the add-on appearing right over here. So let's go ahead and set a deadline or time limit for this add-on. I'm going to go ahead and select date and time. Now you can also set the sign-up sheet to close after you also have a specific number of responses. So let's say that you're looking for 10 people to sign up or to volunteer. You can set it by a specific number of people or by specific date and time. In my particular case, I'm going to select date and time, and we're going to select September 30th. For the time, we're going to go ahead and select 4 p.m. Once you've set the date and the time, you can leave a message at the very bottom that basically tells people that the form is no longer available. This comes with a standard response. However, you can go ahead and customize this response if you want to. Click on Save and Enable, and now you've got a time limit for your form. Once the September 30th deadline has been reached, the form is automatically going to go ahead and close, and no one's going to be able to sign up anymore, and you will get notified that the form has now been officially closed. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to be notified as soon as we release another video. If there's something specific that you would like to learn, please post your request below this video in the comments section. Thank you for watching.